Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best brow mapping ruler is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone looking to achieve perfectly symmetrical and beautifully shaped eyebrows, whether you're a professional makeup artist or a beauty enthusiast at home. This seemingly simple device can be a game changer, ensuring precision and consistency that freehand drawing simply cannot match, ultimately saving you time and frustration while elevating your brow game to a whole new level of artistry and confidence. Number 5. Parallel Products Premium Eyebrow Mapping String. Achieve perfectly symmetrical brows with our premium mapping string. It's an essential tool for precise microblading applications. Our thread comes pre-inked with a 1mm charcoal line, ready for immediate use. This saves you time and ensures consistent marking. Designed for professionals, this essential brow microblading supply offers superior quality. Get the clean lines you need for flawless results. Each box contains 15 meters of thread, providing ample material for numerous clients. You'll have plenty to work with for all your mapping needs. Elevate your microblading services with this trusted tool. It's the perfect addition to your kit for accurate and beautiful brow designs. What we like? This option comes pre-inked with a fine 1mm charcoal thread. It offers a generous 15 meters of product. If you are looking for a convenient and precise tool for microblading, this is a great choice. What people say. The ruler is precise for mapping. It's easy to use for accurate brow measurements. The design allows for quick and consistent brow shaping. Number 4. Ink Permanent White Brow Mapping String. Achieve perfectly symmetrical brows with our pre-inked mapping string. It's designed for ultimate precision in permanent makeup and microblading. This white mapping string comes pre-inked, saving you time and ensuring consistent lines. Get ready for flawless brow shaping every time. As an essential tool for permanent makeup artists and microblading specialists, it provides the accuracy needed for detailed work. Each bottle contains 100 feet of string, offering a generous supply for numerous applications. You'll have plenty for all your clients. Use this specialized thread to map out the ideal eyebrow shape before your procedure. It guarantees a beautiful and balanced result. The bright white color ensures excellent visibility against any skin tone. This makes the mapping process clear and efficient. What we like? This pre-inked white string provides 30 meters for extensive use. It's specifically designed for permanent makeup and microblading. If you are a professional who needs a reliable and long-lasting supply for detailed work, consider this. What people say. The ruler is a great tool for measuring and marking eyebrows. It helps to create symmetrical eyebrows. The ruler is easy to use and provides accurate measurements. Number 3. $1 Billion Brows Brow Buddy Kit. Achieve perfectly symmetrical eyebrows with ease. This patented tool guides you to flawless brow mapping every time. Get salon-quality results at home. It's designed for precise tweezing, waxing, and threading, ensuring symmetrical perfection. This set includes everything you need for expertly shaped brows. The included white pencil helps you mark your desired shape accurately. Our unique, patented design ensures your brows are always even. Say goodbye to asymmetrical brow struggles. Whether you prefer tweezing, waxing, or threading, this tool is your essential companion. It simplifies the entire brow grooming process. This convenient two-piece kit provides all the essentials for beautifully defined eyebrows. Get ready to love your brows. What we like? This patented symmetrical tool ensures perfect brow symmetry. It includes a white pencil for precise marking. If you are a professional seeking a patented, easy-to-use tool for tweezing, waxing, and threading, this brow mapping set is ideal. What people say. The ruler is a great tool for measuring and marking eyebrows. It is very accurate and easy to use. This brow mapping ruler is a must-have for anyone who wants to achieve symmetrical eyebrows. It helps you create the perfect shape every time. Number 2. Stylia Eyebrow Stencil Kit. Achieve perfectly shaped eyebrows with ease. This kit offers a simple solution for flawless brows every time. Designed for everyone, from beginners to those seeking a refined look. Get professional results without the hassle. Experience precision brow mapping with a universal fit that works for you. Our templates ensure accurate shaping effortlessly. Enjoy the convenience of reusable templates with a strong adhesive. They stay in place for a comfortable and reliable application. Get a generous 100 pack for long-lasting use. This kit provides excellent value for maintaining your ideal eyebrow shape. What we like? Get a value pack of 100 reusable stencils with strong adhesive. These are designed for precision shaping and are perfect for beginners. If you are an older woman or a beginner looking for an easy way to achieve perfectly shaped brows at home, this kit is for you. What people say. The ruler is designed to help users accurately measure and mark eyebrows from microblading or other permanent makeup procedures. It features a flexible design that allows it to conform to the shape of the face, ensuring precise measurements. The ruler is made of durable material and is easy to clean, making it a hygienic option for professional use. Number 1. Brow Mapping Kit with White Brow Paste and String. Achieve perfectly symmetrical brows every time with our comprehensive mapping kit. It includes everything you need for precise brow design. Our creamy white brow paste is designed for clear marking, ensuring accuracy during your microblading or PMU sessions. It's easy to apply and remove. The included mapping string is long enough for multiple uses, providing a reliable tool for creating flawless brow lines. Its fine texture ensures sharp, clean marks. This kit comes with 2 essential eyebrow brushes to help you groom and perfect your brows. Use them for blending or applying product with ease. Elevate your permanent makeup and microblading services with this all-in-one solution. It's the perfect addition to any professional's toolkit. You'll have plenty of product to work with thanks to the large 15G bottle of white brow paste. This ensures you won't run out mid-procedure. What we like? This kit includes a large 15G bottle of white brow paste. It also comes with a mapping string and 2 eyebrow brushes. If you are looking for a comprehensive kit that includes paste for marking and brushes for application, this is a suitable option for microblading and PMU. What people say. The ruler is made of high-quality plastic, which is durable and easy to clean. It has clear markings that allow for precise measurements. The ruler is lightweight and portable, making it convenient for on-the-go use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.